Alright guys, so it's kind of early still, probably 5:45 in the morning right now. I'm still here at work. I should be getting off here in a little over an hour at 7 o'clock on shift change. Once that happens, we will be headed south. We'll be running down to Port O'Connor, getting on the water as soon as we can, meeting up with a buddy of mine, maybe two, don't quite know yet. But once that does happen, y'all will be taken along. Just kind of waiting to get out of here right now. So, see y'all then. Alright, so it is just shy of 7:30 right now. Ended up getting out of work a little bit late. My relief ran into some trouble getting here this morning. So, I just got here to Speedy Stop. Going to run inside, grab a breakfast taco, Red Bull because it was a long day and a very long night, and hopefully a couple snacks, and we will be getting on our road to Port O'Connor, go pick up some bait and hit the water. Okay, so I may have just made the biggest noob mistake that anybody could make. Pedaled all the way across the bay. I mean, way over that way. Here, let's see if you guys can see it. Way over there. And left the GoPro in the truck. Since I was over there was a few fish biting, nothing major. Wasn't until I actually hooked into a little itty-bitty flatty and realized it. So I will upload the picture of it to the video. It was nothing special, but I did catch a fish and I screwed up and forgot to have the camera with me, but it's there. It's on. All's good in the world. Let's get back to fishing. He is all full of fucking fight. Huh? Yes! 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 He is gorgeous too. God bless, that feels great. Yeah. Yeah, I put a little shaker weight on and started fishing on the bottom real slow. Easy there, kiddo. Easy, buddy. Easy. Oh, shit. That ain't good. Woo! Yeah, he is. God bless. He's got me shaking, too. God, he's pretty. Yeah, he is. Was it for red 20? Oof. He is just legal. Alright guys, so just got off the water. We're headed over to the gas station to get ice for the fish that we caught, even though it wasn't many and there's only 2 fish that are going home. yeah, so good day on the water, good day fishing. Bad day fishing always beats a good day of work is what I was trying to get at. I'm extremely tired. I worked all night last night, and I don't know if I'm gonna have to go in again tonight, but it looks like I might have to. Other than that, sorry there wasn't more footage of actual catching fish. Like I said earlier, I did forget the GoPro in the truck this morning whenever we first launched the kayaks. But other than that, I hope that y'all enjoyed it. And until next time, y'all have a good one.